Dear all, good day. My name is Ratna Kumari and I'm working as an assistant professor in Ramco Institute of Technology, IT department. This semester I'm handling a subject project report writing. In the second unit, we are going to see about what is project report and how we are going to write it, what is the structure of the project report, and what are the different types of the project report. So when we talk about the project report, report means saying something, explaining something, isn't it? So when we talk about the project report, it outlines about the process, progress, and the results. What do you mean by process? What is actually happening step by step? What is happening there, and what is the results of the particular happenings? This is what we are going to see in the project report. So it's generally the project report talks about objectives, methodologies, outcomes, and the implications. Implications nothing but your applications. So primary goal of your project report is to explain what was done, how it was done, and what was achieved. What we did, how we did it, and how it has been, how the result is being achieved. This is what we are going to see in the project report. So when we talk about the project report structure, actually it is an important 13-mark question in an university point of view. Just generally the format of your project report would be, the structure of the project report would be, we'll be having the title in the sense, whenever we go for the title for the particular project report, it should be more technical version. We should avoid the conjunction or verb, that kind of words should be avoided. That we know that, right? So in this title, we should, that title page, what are all the things we can have? We should have the title of the particular report, and we should have the author's name and the institution uh, to which you are representing, and finally at what date you are submitting the particular submission. You know that we have to add the emblem of the institute and everything. And then we go for the next page, we have to go for the abstract. Generally, abstract in the sense, it should say, whenever we read the abstract, it should say what we are doing inside the project in a very in a easy, in a just way to explain it, but at the same time it should be very summarized one, and also it should be very clear one. Whenever a person reads your abstract, they should understand what you have written inside the particular project report. And then we have the introduction part. Normally, this introduction part will explain about the problem statement. Why you have taken this problem statement, and what you have tried to achieve in this, how your problem statement and objectives are related, and what is the scope of the particular report. That has to be explained well in your introduction part. That is, your research question and your objectives, your statement should be connected with each other. The next one is, we go for the literature survey, literature review, which talks about the particular project, what are all the things or experiments or research has had done in the related area. So you have taken some reference paper, you have to talk about some, you have taken some 10 reference paper, you can talk about those 10 papers in this literature and review. We can add more points also. Next comes your methodology. Here we have to explain the technical concept of your work. So what are all the technical term, what how you have dealt the problem through the technical solutions. You have to give the your own technical solutions. And then we go for the results. So what are all the findings of the particular technical, what technical solutions you have used, and what is the finding of that methodology should be explained in the results. It should have tables, figures, and the chart. It should have the picturized representation of your things. The next one is your discussion in the sense, here we talk about what you have achieved and what are all the problems or the things which you have faced during the findings. And then we go for the conclusions. Here we talk about the future research proposals and what you have achieved exactly, and where you can apply your ideas. The next one, references. We have to list all the references, patent, journals, whatever citation. We have to give the clear citations, and then appendices we will have the data, what are all the extra things which supports your report. It may be like mathematical calculations, the detailed mathematical calculations, how you collected the data, the what are all the abbreviations, that kind of things can be added in the appendices. So generally, when we talk about the structure of the report, we should have title page, abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusions, references, and then appendices. And then we go for the types of reports. Generally, the types of reports can be classified into four categories: technical, research, progress, and then feasibility. When we talk about technical report, the name itself says it concentrates only on the technical aspects of your project, not anything else. It worries about the methodologies, results, and the technical issues. Okay, so generally, very clearly, if you're talking means if you're writing you're creating one report, when it is for a technical report, you should concentrate on the coding part of your particular report. And then research reports, normally this research reports goes to the academic side. Okay, so we are doing the big literature, it normally it talks about the literature service, literature reviews, results, and other things. Generally it supports the academic and the scientific research. And then we have a progress report. The name progress, what do you mean by progress? How it is being improved. Okay, it may be time, cost, or the working results, whatever it is, everything can be given in the progress report. And then we have a feasibility reports. Normally the feasibility reports only talk about the benefits of the particular what we have achieved through the particular project that we are talking about, the cost orientation, what are the applications of this particular project, and what is the potential challenges you have faced during the project findings. So these are all the things which we do in the. So basically there are four types of reports. There are technical reports, research reports, and progress reports, and finally feasibility reports. So in Anna University exam point of view, these two questions can be considered as the important 13-mark questions. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.